Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I am coming to you with a fun collaboration. Yes, indeed, it is an open invite. Now, this one is for the Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. Now, the host for this collaboration is the lovely Kale, and her channel is If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Now, Kale has two co-hosts, myself, and I'm Candy. My channel is, of course, DIY Design by CCW, and also Tammy is going to co-host as well on this one, and Tammy's channel is Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Now, Kel didn't give us a lot of rules for this, but I'll go over those so that you know what she would like us to do. Rule number one is that you be subscribed to all of our channels. That means the host and the co-host. Rule number two, make sure that you mention the host and the co-host in your video, and also include links in your videos to each of our channels as well as the playlist. Now here's where the fun starts. Kel said this tablescape can be indoors, outdoors. If you want to, if you have a Tikki Bar and you want to decorate your Tikki Bar, you can certainly do that. It can be day, it can be night. Food or drink is optional. The whole point is, though, with this tablescape, she wants you to create a tropical oasis. Now, I really think this is going to be a lot of fun. I cannot wait to get started on mine. And the hashtag, guys, again, I'm going to have it down in my description box, but the hashtag is Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. And again, the title of your videos would be Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. Now, when is the upload date? Well, the upload date in time, it's June 13th, 2020. That's a Saturday at 7 a.m. Again, guys, I hope we all have a lot of fun with this. I hope everybody participates. I cannot wait. I'm getting ready to go dig out my grass skirt and all that stuff. And, you know, again, it's summertime. This is a great way to kick off the summer season. So, or at least it will be summer soon. So, again, thank you so much for listening today. I hope everybody participates. Let's have some fun with this Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.